Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to a new quick and easy face paint tutorial by Simone, which is this eye design today. With a split cake by Diamond FX, this is one of their big split cakes. This is called Cotton Candy on a face painting sponge. Simone is creating the base of this eye design. So she is putting the colors of the split cake on her eye and then just using the dark purple to create the nice butterfly-like shape around the eye. And instead of double dipping with white and the plum color by Superstar, this is a double dip using yellow and the same plum color by Superstar. And as you can see, this gives kind of a sunflower feel to the double dip petals and it looks absolutely amazing with that purple. Here is some black to create some curls and swirls. And Simone is using a long liner brush to do this with. If you are not used to using a long liner brush, you can definitely just do this with a regular Mark Reed number 2 brush or any small brush you have in your kit. Once all of the black lines are on the skin, Simone is redoing most of them with white, and that gives a very nice effect to the face paint. With Snow Patrol by Superstar, this is a lovely blue color. Simone is just putting some dots here and there to give some extra color to this paint. And over that Snow Patrol there is some white dots as well, so they look kind of like flowers. The famous stars in this face paint. And of course some dots to go with those stars. A purple lipstick created with the purple that is in the split cake by Diamond FX. And with that lovely lipstick, this quick and easy face paint for today is done. Well, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.